Welcome. If you're looking to clean up your Facebook feed and stop seeing posts from a page without unfollowing or unliking everything at once, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you the easiest way to unfollow a page directly from a post on Facebook using your PC based on the latest update. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head to facebook.com. Log in to your account if you haven't already. Once you're on your home page, scroll through your news feed until you find a post from the page you no longer want to see updates from. When you spot the post, look to the top right corner of it. You'll see 3 small dots lined up vertically. This is the options menu for the post. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots. A drop-down menu will appear with several choices. Look for the option that says Unfollow Page Name and click on it. The page name will be listed right there, so you'll know exactly which page you're unfollowing. That's it. You'll remain a fan of the page, but you won't see any more posts from them in your news feed. This is a great way to keep your feed focused on what matters most to you, without completely disconnecting from pages you might still want to visit occasionally. Remember, unfollowing a page from a post is quick, discreet, and reversible. If you ever change your mind, you can always visit the page again and hit the follow button to start seeing their updates in your feed once more. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to share it with friends who want a more personalized Facebook experience. See you next time.